Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar right here. On the second position from the left, we've got this clock icon which is crossed out, and it is simply connected with the timer. So it depends. You can change it just by tapping on it, or you can unroll the top bar. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the timer also. So currently, as I said, this icon has been displayed right here. It is highlighted with this yellow, not yellowish, bluish color, which simply means that it is applied. We can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the 10, for example, and as you can see, the timer will be set. Now we can go back, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button. As I said, the icon will be changed, of course, depending which option you will choose. And as I said, you can also change it here just by tapping on it. So you do not have to unroll the bar. So now let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, right now it will count down from 10, and after that, from 10 or 3, of course, depending. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. All right, the photo has been taken, so basically you can set the 3 seconds delay, or you can turn it off just by tapping here, and from now on the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.